Model organization. Set column names. In this video, we will change all the column names in our building to be unique identifier. We select the Set Names feature in the Analysis and Design toolbar and select the whole model. Here you can see an overview of all the different member types that have been found within your selection. Use the Show functionality to locate the columns in the model. You can select or deselect different member types for their automatical naming. In this tutorial, we focus on the columns. Therefore, we deselect all other member types. Now we will change the naming rule for the columns. At the top, you see a preview for the names. You can change the naming rule by dragging and dropping components from the selection below. We will insert text for separating the name parts and a sequential number. Here we change the number of digits to 3 and click OK for applying our changes. Now you see the new naming rule and the preview for each individual column. Now click Apply to change the name for all columns. As we can see in the structural properties for this column, the SOFiSTiK name has been changed according to our rule and is now available for the whole design process.